First step is primer. We're going to let it sit on our face for about 2 minutes. And make sure you're using a water-based primer for a water-based foundation. Next is underpainting. We're using a cheek and lip stain. We're going to do 2 thin but buildable layers on our lips and on our cheeks. This gives us that dewy look. For foundation, we're also going to have 2 thin but buildable layers just to make sure we have that natural look. For our contour, we're going to be focusing on the bottom of our cheekbones and jaw. Use the same blender as your foundation so that it can blend seamlessly together. We're going to use our lighter concealer on the inner corner and outer corner of our eyes, and our darker concealer to contour our nose bridge. For our blush, we're going to do 4 dots and an upside down triangle on our cheekbones. You can go in with a sponge to blend out the edges, and we're also going to use contour at the bottom of our blush, using the same sponge to blend. Using brow mascara for the fluffy brow look, and setting our under eyes with powder. For eyeshadow, use a dark gray color above your crease. Blend it out with a fluffy brush, following the natural shape of your eyes. Now go in with a pink and gold shimmer beneath your crease. For our eyes, we're going to do a thin but bold look, extending the wing out towards our eyebrow, following the natural shape of our eye. Finishing our look with mascara. To get that deep red color, we're putting bright red on the center and plum on the outside. To really accentuate my lips, I'm going in with a brown liner on my cupid's bow and on the corner of my lips. Finish up with setting spray, and this is the final look. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and feel free to watch any of the other ones. I just want to say thank you so much for 43 subscribers. I literally can't believe it. Like, thank you so much for that. If you like these kind of videos, let me know. Put it in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Baby, can't you see?